cars and the bikes in the live shirt, you need long pants, we'll let you go. Some of you old guys probably $5 helmet from home. So the Commodore Ute is going to get there first, and the left-hand lane goes 14.7. Gets quicker every time he goes down. 16.03 for our competitor in the upper lane. So nice looking U-seat Tirana out there in the left-hand lane, got the Combo Pros on it. So we're talking about one of these late model Commodores. This is the SSVF model. So there you go, 13.9 for that SS. So some of the little Pulsar go 13.5 before, so I reckon you'd be a bit dirty if you spent 100 grand on the HSV and little Pulsar got you. So a little while, we got a little Mazda 1000 new, it looks like here.